To make a logo, you simply go to the left-hand side of the menu bar and click on Logos. A new window will open where you will be asked to type in your brand's name. Placeit will select an industry for you that makes sense for your brand, but you can also pick the industry yourself. Let's go! Here is a collection of suggestions for your logo with your brand's name on them already. On the upper part of your screen, you can edit things like the name of your brand, the industry, the colors, and you can even select a graphic. Click on your favorite to personalize it even more. Another option is back on the main page. You can mouse over the category that you're interested in to reveal subcategories. For example, in the logos section, we have gaming logos, sports logos, clothing logos, and many more. Click on one to surf through all the options. Choose your favorite and personalize it. Find the different text options on the left-hand side. Use each text box to type in the name or maybe a slogan. Click the little check mark next to a text box to get rid of that line. Below, change the font style for each text line and also the color. Click on More to select different shades of colors or easily enter your hex code. Edit the color for your background, the main color and the accent color at the right. Click on it to once again have access to the preset colors, or click on More to click and drag the color picker and come up with a different color style for the graphic. Next, try different illustrations for your logo, or click the No Image button to just keep the name. Use the search bar to find even more specific results and also change your logo. One last tip, you see this legend here? This means that you can step into the logo and roll over on anything to move it or scale it. Click the Reset Layout to go back to how it was. Once you're ready, click on the blue download button to get it. And that's it! You can find more cool features like saving this template to your very favorites, save the process and come back later to finish your design, scroll down to find more presets with your brand name on it already, or to have a preview of how your logo would look on a t-shirt, a bag, and so much more. You can do all this in just a few clicks. With Placeit, that and more is possible. Not only you can find beautiful logo designs with Placeit, it is also the easiest logo maker that allows you to add that unique touch to your business. So go ahead and create your dream logo in no time.